Salamat kasi napagtsagaan mo yung 11 years. Salamat kasi hindi ka sumuko. Salamat kasi lagi mo sinasabi sa akin na kahit ganito ako, mahal mo ko. Salamat kasi mahal mo yung mga magulang ko kasi yun yung best.
Sabi nila wala kang sinasabi sa perfect husband, pero pilit ko magiging sa akin. Hindi ko man magpilit na magiging sa perfect husband, pilit ko magiging ganun. So yun lang, 11 years ago, paano ako makakilala. Pero pa rin ako mas dati ganun.
Hindi ako naghahanap ng perfecto. Naghahanap ako ng isang tao na isang mawawang buhay. I love you.
This love is like the ocean.
Good morning, my dear. Kumusta tulog mo? Ito na yung hinihintay natin. For 11 years, ito na yun.
As far as eyes can see. And this love is like the trees that are looking down on top of me.
Me, dati pangarap lang, pero ito na talaga. After 11 years, sabi mo nga, there's nothing impossible if you believe. Just trust God.
Nobody loves you like I do.
Salamat sa'yo sa pagtupad ng pangarap ko na kasama ko. I love you, my dear. See you in a bit.
Nobody loves you like I do. And I can't get enough of you.
Mi, salamat sa pagmamahal. Salamat sa pagtanggap sa akin. At pinapangako ko sa'yo, ako pa rin yung George na nakilala mo 11 years ago. God bless us, and I love you.
This love is like the church bells, as loud as they can ring. And the good man's face on his wedding day when he sees his bride to be. It's like a little girl holding daddy's hand for everyone to see. Yeah, this love is like no other. It's taking over me. Nobody loves you like I do, and I never want them to. Nobody loves you like I do, and I can't get enough of you. And I don't ever want to.
If you quality of your own living, provide yourself for every love and service of others.
This love is like no other.
Your civil family of your own living, provide yourself for